If you've ever worked in PowerPoint, you've probably noticed those default placeholders that say things like click to add text or click to add title. They can be useful, but sometimes you just want a clean slide without them. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest way to remove them in PowerPoint. This works for 2025 and beyond. When you're on your slide, don't just click inside the text box because that will only let you type or edit the text. Instead, move your cursor to the border of the placeholder. Once your cursor changes to a solid outline or four-sided arrow, click there to select the entire box. Now that the placeholder is selected, simply press the Delete key or backspace on your keyboard. The entire text box disappears, leaving you with a blank canvas to design your slide exactly how you want. You can repeat this process for any placeholder on your slide, whether it's a title, content box, or even one of those smaller suggestion boxes. And don't worry, removing a placeholder doesn't break your slide layout. You can always re-add a new text box later by going to the Insert tab and choosing Text Box. That's it, just a couple of clicks and your slide is cleared up. If you found this guide helpful, give it a try in your next presentation and see how much cleaner your slides look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.